Owens, eat all you can. Located at Barangay Bituon, Haro, Iloilo City. Kung ang inyo pangita, barato, quality, preska, budget-friendly, nga unlimited seafoods. Perfect si Owens para sa inyo. May ara sila sang bilao unlimited packages and nag-start from 399 pesos and up. Nantawa kadamo-damo sang ilang nga seafoods. May ara lampiro, kasag, crablets, talaba, manok, and everything. May green shells pa. Super sulit, super barato, super quality, and super preska kung diri ka mo magkaon sa Owens. And may ara man siya sang branch dito sa may Atria, Iloilo City. And si Owens diri sa Barangay Bituon opens every Monday hasta Sunday. Kag may ara sila sang 5+1 promo, and Owens offers catering services. Thank you!